Hi everyone. In this video, we'll discover the latest innovations in 3D printing and how they are shaping the future of engineering and manufacturing. Imagine a machine that can create almost anything, machine parts, human organs, even houses, layer by layer. Sounds futuristic? It's already happening with 3D printing. But today's 3D printing is far more advanced than you think. Let's explore the top 5 enhancements transforming this technology. So these were the top 5 enhancements in 3D printing. 1. Multi-material printing. 2. Higher printing speeds. 3. Greater precision and accuracy. 4. Integrated smart sensors. 5. Post-processing automation. The future of manufacturing is not coming, it's already here. First is multi-material printing. Earlier, printers could only print with one material at a time. But now, a single printer can combine plastic, metal, flexible rubber, and composite materials in one part. Imagine printing a mobile cover with a hard outer shell and soft inner grip at the same time. This means better product design and fewer assembly steps. Second is higher printing speed. Traditional 3D printing was slow, sometimes taking hours or days. With new technologies like continuous liquid interface production, printing time has reduced dramatically. What used to take 10 hours can now be done in less than 1 hour. This makes rapid prototyping and mass production much faster. Third enhancement, greater precision and accuracy. Modern printers can now create extremely fine details with very tight tolerances. This is critical in industries like aerospace and medical devices, where even a small error can cause major failure. Better precision means better quality and less waste. Fourth is integrated smart sensors. Today's smart printers use sensors to monitor temperature, filament flow, and layer quality in real time. Powered by artificial intelligence and smart controls, the printer can detect mistakes before the print fails. This saves both time and material. Finally, post-processing automation. After printing, parts often need cleaning, polishing, or support removal. Now robotic systems can do this automatically, making production faster and reducing manual labor. It brings 3D printing closer to full automation. This saves both time and material.